Hey everybody, welcome into the Real Estate Minute Show. This show is about, if you haven't watched it before, and we're on episode 40 something now, kind of amazing. This show is about the little tidbits of buying and selling a home that you may not be aware of, that you may think, you may have false assumptions about, also secrets that you can grab some value out of. So that's the reason for the show, and today is no different. It is Tuesday, December something, early December. I don't even know the date. It's COVID. Nobody knows the date anymore. But it's Tuesday, and I've already had 8 phone calls with clients with this very similar discussion, and I thought since I was having 8 conversations with 8 different clients that I might as well discuss it with you, maybe save some time. And that is the request for repair. So if you are buying a home and you do your inspections, right, during your inspection contingency, and you have your inspector in there, termite, and whatever you're doing, and you determine that there's some items, you talk to your agent, you determine that there's some items that you would like to ask the other side for. The false assumption a lot of times with buyers is they think, I shouldn't ask for anything because the seller can terminate the contract, and I really want the house. Another assumption is that the seller has to give you what you ask for. And another one is that the home is being sold as is, and you shouldn't ask for anything anyway because you're not entitled to it. All 3 are 99% wrong, and here is the truth. A request for repair is merely a request to ask the seller for certain things, whether it be credits or to fix certain things that you find. They're for the seller's consideration, okay? It's not a counteroffer to the purchase agreement. It's just a request to say, I need you to fix these lights, I need you to fix this concrete, this stucco, whatever it is. You're asking for a credit for $1,000. You're asking for them to consider whether they would agree in exchange for you closing and buying the home and giving them a shit ton of money to fix a few little things, sometimes major things, sometimes small things. They have 3 options, at least in California. They have 3 options. Option 1, they could totally ignore you, the seller, and never call you back about that request for repair and never respond. Option 2 is they could say no to everything. And option 3 is they can say no to some, and they could say yes to all, or something in the middle, pieces. And it doesn't affect your ability to buy the property. If they say nothing, okay, they didn't give you anything. You just continue with the purchase of the property, okay? So just by asking for something doesn't mean that the seller can terminate your purchase of the home. It seems to be coming up a lot now for some reason. I don't know why people are a little more jittery about it. So I hope that clears it up. If you have any questions, of course, as always, DM me, send me a message. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care.